Now I'm finished. That is the complete ensemble. I'm done. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I did a great job. And I didn't have to go to the dealership to get this done because they would have charged me very, 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 very much. It would have been very expensive to get the roll hoops painted, which looks absolutely fantastic. As you can see, this is my 981 Boxster. I installed my Kenwood right there, which is nice. As a matter of fact, I'm getting ready to start it up for you guys. That looks awesome, man. I did a great job. I'm gonna toot my own horn. Yep. So let me let this back right quick. Yeah, that looks nice. And the next thing is coming is my new steering wheel. I'm gonna do an upload on that too as well. Yeah, that looks great. That looks real nice. That looks sexy. Damn. Yes. That looks very, very nice. Get ready to start this joint up. This is my key. So let's start it up. Yeah, that looks great. Show you how my Kenwood look. I installed this myself. Yes. Yes. I put the speakers in the back too as well. Let you guys see this here. I'm gonna change this out. Yeah, I'm changing that out. Where it's gonna say Porsche. See? I ordered this kit from Porsche. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. I did all this myself. Yep, I installed this myself. Beautiful. So that's my ways. Let me come up out of there. Let's go back to home. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Yes. Oh, wow, this is absolutely fantastic. And that is the complete install of my roll hoops that go exactly with my vehicle. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Yes. Yes, sir. That's nice. Peace out. Thanks and subscribe to my channel. Truth Revealed. Yes.